Now, you may have noticed that there is no way to uncap the FPS limit in CS2. But don't worry, in this short video, I'll show how you can cap or uncap FPS in CS2 on your computer. Let's start. First, fire up CS2 and go to Settings. Then go to the Video tab. Change the display mode to full screen and apply the changes. Now you have to enable the Developer Mode console. To do that, switch to the Game tab. Now, at the top, you will find the option to enable Developer Console. To turn it on, just click the box next to it and select Yes. And Console will be enabled for you. Now press the backtick key or the one below Escape to bring it up. To cap your FPS, type in FPS_max, then enter a space and type a value between 60 to 240. And hit enter and your FPS will be capped. But if you want to leave your FPS uncapped, type in FPS_max 0 and hit enter and it will be left uncapped. And that's it. That's how you cap and uncap the FPS limit in CS2. If the video proved to be useful, hit that like button. Want more CS2 related tips and tricks? Subscribe to the channel. As always, thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next one.